Hey, what's going on, YouTube? This is Matt. And before we get into this tutorial, this quick video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Alright, folks, in this video, I'm going to be covering exactly how to create not necessarily a Facebook cover, but a social media cover. And I'll show you what I mean by that in a bit. Now, branding is important, especially when on a new social media platform, like platforms like Webtalk. All right, that's a new social media platform that launched barely 2 years ago. All right, and I'm gonna show you exactly what to do. All right, now this is a Facebook cover template. All right, now there's a bunch of designs on the left hand side. All right, but I'm gonna show you exactly what you do if you're in like the make money online ish or work from home. All right, so we'll go, let's see. I already have some like designs done that I came up with. All right. Now we're just gonna go through some options here. So we got Webtalk. We got a bunch of designs here. Now, normally I use mine Complex Hustle, but I'm gonna choose another one in this example. So we're just gonna put this here. All right. So this is another one of my brands. All right. So we'll just put that there. And then here's what we're going to do next. We're going to go ahead and download it. All right. And this is all within Canva, and Canva is free. All right. Now what we're going to do is go to Webtalk. All right. We're going to go to Webtalk. And we're going to go to my profile. All right. Now on the left hand side, there's going to be something, I'm sorry, right hand side, it's going to be edit cover banner. Just going to click on that. All right. And then, excuse me, there's browse new image, edit cover edit cover banner. What we're going to do is browse new image. And then we're going to choose the one we just downloaded. All right. And then we could adjust it, crop it, put a filter on it. But in this purpose, we're just going to leave it. And then we're going to hit done. And then we're going to hit save. And if you don't want a tagline, you could just keep that out and keep it just plain and simple. Just put save. All right. Now that was a quick tutorial on how to set up a Webtalk / social media cover photo. Right now, you could still continue to adjust it, but I guess that's fine. All right. For more tutorials on how to set up your Webtalk, just go ahead and continue to tune into the channel. Thank you for watching.